Well, hi there. I'm Kristen, and I'm with One Focus Property Management. And today, I'm standing inside of 2205 West 4th Street, apartment number 2 in Williamsport, Pennsylvania, and we're going to take the tour. It's got 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and she is going to knock your socks off. So sit back and relax. I'm going to take you through this entire incredible place. And after I do that, I'm going to tell you how to make this the next place you're definitely calling home. So let's get started. So we're starting at the rear of the property today because this is where the main entrance is. You can see that there is parking. There is an assigned space for each of our residents here. There's also common stuff out here for everybody to be able to use. And here's the back of the building. So we're gonna come right up here. And as you can see, you have this gorgeous bonus of this covered porch here. I love the privacy on the side. I love that you can look out across the neighborhood. There's a cute little park over there. And you have plenty of room to place some patio furniture. So we're gonna go inside. You come right into the kitchen from the back. And you have space if you want to add some extra furniture. You can even do like a little tiny like bistro set over here to really like make it a kind of eat-in situation. You can see you have full-size appliances and lots of cabinets and a nice amount of countertop. Now, if that's not enough cabinets, you certainly have more space. You've got can storage here, you've got shelves in the back, you've got a hang bar, plenty of places to put cleaning supplies, extra food, whatever you'd like. And we're gonna come right into what I would consider the dedicated dining room. Now you can make these rooms however you want. It doesn't have to be a bedroom, it doesn't have to be a dining room. I'm just gonna give you some ideas. There is plenty of room to add additional furniture in here. If you didn't need a dining room, you could certainly make this your living room or even kind of like an office space, but there is a lot of space in here to be able to use however you like. And when we come through the threshold here, we are going to come right to our bathroom. Super cutesy little tub here. You've got this great, unique kind of shower curtain situation where you can wrap it around a little bit. And then obviously you have a little storage here in the medicine cabinet. You've got your little vanity and then your toilet facilities. We're going to come down this hall here and we are greeted by the first room. I've called this bedroom number 1. Ample space for a king-size bed. These are nice big rooms here, and this does have a closet with a hang bar and a shelf. And these are pretty standard closets. I come down the hall to the next room here. I would call this bedroom number 2, and that is primarily because you have another closet for storage in here. You can see you've got the standard with a hang bar and a shelf, and there is plenty of room again for a king-size bed. Now these are pass-through doors here. As you can see, you've got the cute curtains on there to keep a little extra privacy. You can certainly replace those with something a little bit darker if you like. And you've got a lock there, so you can actually lock that off. So if you wanted to block it either on this side or the other side, it's not gonna make a real difference in how you're using the spaces. And then finally down here, I would call this the living room. This is the largest room in the bunch. Hence why I'm calling it the living room. There's plenty of room for a lot of storage furniture in here. Couches, chair, entertainment center. This door over here is actually not an existing door. It's actually covered on the other side, so you don't have to worry about covering that up with a couch. You can put the little wraparound couch there. You can put an entertainment center over there. You got room for your armchair, whatever you like. And then we also, and which I love, you're super close to where you have the mailboxes as well as any kind of like package delivery. Those come into the front door here. And then downstairs through the middle entry door, that will take you over to where the coin-operated laundry is for all the residents in the building. Oh my goodness, is this a big wow or what? I mean, I am sure you are chomping at the bit to make this place home. So what you need to do to make that happen today is go to our website at www.onefocuspm.com. You can look at our listings and be able to find all the information about the property. You can book your tour and you can even submit your application. If you'd like to talk to someone at the office, give us a call at 570-505-3347. At One Focus Property Management, we pride ourselves in helping people just like you find that next place that they're calling home. So check out the website, give us a call today, because I am chomping at the bit to help you make this your place.